Oh. There we go, Apalachicola. Uh-oh. Bridge outside, bridge outside. That's a big bird. Yeah, so I had us going straight through there, but we can go around, I guess.
Yeah, let's see if we can make our way around. Do you want to take a second to look at the map, or are you just gonna ad-lib as you run?
What I did was I made a route in here, just kind of zigzagging all in through here, just to take us through. So I was just gonna follow it. If we go straight here, we should end up on my spot a little further down. So if you want to look at maps, we can though.
No, I'm good. I didn't want you to feel like you had to try and figure it out on the fly here.
Oh, I got you, 10-4. Yeah, I'll stop if we need to. With a little deep little water hole here to start the game. Yeah, that doesn't have gravel at the bottom. That was soft. Oh. Ooh, not too fast, not too fast. We're not used to this kind of terrain anyway, so what's soft and hard, we have no clue.
Yeah, if we had like a local or somebody that knew the area and all that, it'd be something different, but that's part of the adventure, you know?
I'm still having fun. some of these mud holes are nothing, but it's hard to figure out, you know, like, is it really nothing or is it really something? Alright, so bridge out. Oh, that says dead end, so never mind. Keep it going, keep it going. Dude, these people are living there. That dude is living there.
Yeah, it definitely looks settled. This guy over here to the right looks like he might be an actual camper. Johnny, when you get up here to the fork, try going right this time. Maybe we'll find something a little better.
Ah, that's exactly what I was thinking. Alright, here we are. This is going to be our campground for the night. We're at a dead end of a little side road, if you want to call it a side road. That's what it is. We got a nice tree there, pine tree to burn up. This is going to be our fire ring for tonight. And yeah, we're parked as we're going to sleep. So, all good.